Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing healthy and simple puree ideas for babies from 4 to 12 months old. Very nutritious, easy to make and perfect for your little one's journey. If you're a parent looking for baby's food inspiration, then this video is for you.
Oh yeah. Welcome to the flavors, come and take a seat. Flora kitchen where the good vibes meet. From Cameroon pots to the world we rise. Spices in the air, you can taste the sunrise. Easy, tasty, cooking with love. Every single dish is a gift from above. We stir it, fry it, bake it with pride. One big family, come on, step inside. Flora kitchen where the magic begins. From Africa to the world, let the food tune in. Delicious recipes made with heart and care. If you're hungry for joy, you will find it.
Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your baby's puree at home, and which is mango apple puree. And in this recipe you just need some boiled fresh boiled rice that you boiled the same day, mango and boiled apple. After that, I'm going to be using the baby Cerelac. I'm just going to use about 1 or 2 spoons to combine to this while blending. And I just want you to also note that when you're doing your baby's puree, please, it will be advisable you get a blender which is reserved for baby's puree only. Do not use the blender which you are using to blend your spicy things and you use it for the baby's puree. No, it's not advisable that way. So please make sure you have a blender which is reserved for the baby's puree purposefully for that. This is the one I've been using. It happens that this is 2-in-1 blender which I have, so I just use this for my baby's puree. So without any waste of time, I'm just going to combine everything. Since it is already boiled, I'm just going to put in all of that into the blender and blend it until smooth. Make sure you wash your hands very well. Since it has to do with baby's food, we have to be very hygienic with that. So just put in that into the blender, put in the mango and the apple. I'm using 3 apples here, which is already boiled, and some water, distilled or clean water, very clean water. Just put little water in there. Take in the Cerelac. I'm using the Cerelac which has no fruits, which is just the wheat Cerelac. This one. So I'm just going to scoop out 2 spoons of the Cerelac. I just want it to have that flavor from the Cerelac. Next, yeah, my baby loves this combination so much. Keep the remaining one there. Okay. So I'm just going to blend that together. The water is not able to, you're not able to blend. You can add in a little bit water, but please do that with a little bit of care so that it shouldn't be too watery. You just need the water to let that blend. Oh, my baby can't wait to eat this.
Welcome to the flavors, come and take a seat. Florida kitchen where the good vibes meet. From Cameroon pots to the world we rise. Spices in the air, you can taste the sunrise. Easy, tasty.
Okay, I'm done blending. Can you see that? That's the texture you will need. You just pour that into the pan. Sometimes I do add
on the fire and dole on the side. Pepper soup boiling, let the flavors collide. From sweet to spicy, bold and true. Every meal we make brings a smile to you. Taste the journey, taste the love.
See that? Yeah. So you just pour that into the pan. See, you can add some in some baby formula. So that's your mango apple puree. I hope that helps. So I'm going to scoop some for my baby. Can't wait to eat that now. So I'm going to take some for my baby, and we save the rest in the refrigerator. I can use that for 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Yeah, he's going to eat that quantity. He's 9 months old now, getting to 10 months by this month end. Okay, so I'm going to add in 2 spoons of
Baby's formula.
and this is optional. Even without the formula, you can as well give your baby like this. It's so yummy. Try this, guys. Your baby will like it. It's good to boil the potatoes, the apple, because you don't know, there are so many chemical apples out there. So boiling it will not kill the nutrient actually, or just boil it a little to kill that germs.